This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Powerful windstorm is headed towards Wisconsin on Tuesday, October 24th, 2017. It's going to bring up to 15 millimeters of rain or more. Winds are going to be very strong, gusting up to 70 to 80 kilometers per hour in the state of Wisconsin, especially in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Green Bay, Wisconsin, and surrounding areas, coastal areas of Wisconsin. By Lake Michigan, there will be big waves crashing on beaches and shores, and the state of Wisconsin is going to bring very windy conditions in Wisconsin, especially in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Green Bay, Wisconsin. There will be really high winds and magnetical power in Wisconsin, especially in Green Bay, Wisconsin, Superior, Wisconsin, Duluth, Minnesota, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin as well. People in Wisconsin, be prepared. Have your rubber boots ready, raincoats ready, raincoats ready. When you go outside, wear your rain, get ready, rubber boots ready, raincoats to keep you dry. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Make sure your Samsung Galaxy charged, Samsung Galaxy smartphones charged, Samsung Galaxy tablets charged, smartphones, cell phones, laptops, and tablets charged, and have your 3G, 4G ready. Stay away from the beaches and don't go into your shores. In Wisconsin, especially in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Superior, Wisconsin, and Green Bay, Wisconsin as well. If anybody lives in Wisconsin, be prepared for a powerful windstorm on Tuesday, October 24, 2017. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a powerful windstorm. Stay dry, be safe.